Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative. Today's video is all about being creative. So for this month, which is June of 2024, the theme is Garden Fresh. Now next month, July, the theme's going to be Hippie. But right now, I'm going to show you our garden. First off, I want to show you this thing I made quite some time ago. And I stuck it out in the elements to see how it would do, and it's actually doing pretty well. I can't remember where the video is. I can't remember if it's on this channel or my other channel, but I do have a video on how I made that. So we've actually been gone for several weeks, and so our garden is a disaster. We do have some tomatoes coming. Oh, look at all those tomatoes. We need to come out here and do some picking. We just got back from visiting my family in Florida. So that's where we've been. We got all these yummy tomatoes that will be coming. Oh, look at that. And we've got some little critters. You know, I don't mind them eating my tomatoes, but just eat the whole thing. Don't pick them all. All right, what do we have here? Ooh, looks like some basil. It's flowering. I love the smell of basil. Here's some more basil. I need to do something with this. Actually, you can freeze basil, and I do have a video on that. You need to pick this and freeze it. Some more tomatoes. All these tomato plants. My husband loves tomatoes. Some squash. And these, do you know what these are? Okay, I'm excited about these. See if you can guess what these are. Over there. I wonder how big they're going to get. They're actually Job's beads, and I've made jewelry with Job's beads before, so we'll have to see how these turn out. There's a lot of them on there. There's a Meyer lemon tree. We've got lots of lemons. They're not yellow yet, but they're going to be, look at them all. We're going to have tons of them. I wonder if you can freeze lemons. Look at them all. One there, one there, one there, one there. Oh, look at them all. Oh, yum, yum. So now that we're back from our little trip, I guess it's time to get out in the garden and pick it and get it back under control again. Do you have a garden? What's in your garden this year? Let me know down in the comment section below. And y'all have a great day. By the way, I hope you go check out all the other participants. They're supposed to be using the hashtag #BeCreative and tagging me. So hopefully you'll be able to see them. And if you want to participate, whoops, sorry with the finger there. But if you want to participate next month, like I said, it's going to be Hippie for the theme. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.